Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about how to tabulate the informations. In this class we are going to discuss similar type of problem, that is problem number 2. In a sample study about food habits in two towns, the data was obtained. So here town A and town B observations are given like this. So for town A, 50% persons were males, 30% were non-vegetarians, 18% were male non-vegetarians. In town B, 45% persons were males, 25% were non-vegetarians, 16% were male non-vegetarians. Tabulate about data. So before tabulate these observations, so first need to write characteristics. What are the characteristics are given here? So here given characteristics are like this. So here there are two towns are given. So here towns are given. The first classification is town. Characteristics is town. So here classified characteristics are town A and town B. Okay, next. See here, so persons were male in the sense what? Here gender class characteristics are given. So next is gender. In gender, the classified characteristics are male and female. Okay, next, see here 30% were non-vegetarians. No, non-vegetarian in the sense what? Here food habits are given, that is vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So these are the given characteristics. Okay, now using these given characteristics, I will prepare tabulation. So the table is like this. So before that, I will write the title. So how to write the title? So here given characteristics are town, gender and food habits. So the title is like this. That is table represents food habit of two towns. So this is the title. So here given characteristics are like this. So that is gender. Gender I will write here. Next one is towns. So town I will write here. So here there are two towns are there. One is town A, another one is town B. Next characteristics is food habit. So food habit I will write here. So here food habits are vegetarians, the one more is non-vegetarians. The last column I will write here total. So here genders are, what are the genders are there here? Male and female. So first I will write for town A, genders are male and female, and here I will write total. And for town B, the genders are male, female and total. So this last row is no need, so I will rub this. So here I will write footnote. Under that I will write sources. So here sources are not given, so I will left it blank. Then what is footnote that I will write? See, here given informations are like this. See here, first let's see town A set of observations. In town A, so see here observation is based on percentage. So see percentage in terms 100. So here grand total is there, no? This total I will write 100. Why it is 100? Because this problem is based on percentage. That is why here this is the grand total is 100. So see in a town A. So in town A, 50% were males. So 50% were males in the sense what? They didn't mention vegetarian or non-vegetarian. They said only 50% are males. So see here males are here. Male column is there. So they given total number of male population. So total number of male population we need to write here. So this cell is total number of male population. So they given 50% were males. So we need to write 50% here only. I'll write 50 only. So we need to write 50 here only. Okay, next 30% were non-vegetarians. So 30% were non-vegetarians. Here they didn't mention men or women or male or female population. They said only 30% were non-vegetarians. So it means what? Total number of the non-vegetarians in town A. So which here this cell indicates total number of non-vegetarians in town A. So this cell indicates what? This cell indicates total number of non-vegetarians. Therefore here we need to write 30%. Next, one more observation is given in town A, that is 18%. So that is 18% male non-vegetarians. See here male, here it is there, non-vegetarian here it is there. In town A male is here, non-vegetarian is here. So this corresponding cell is there, no? This cell indicates non-vegetarians male. This cell indicates male non-vegetarians. Therefore here given observation I will write here. So that given observation is 18%. Therefore we need to write 18% in this cell only. See here, so see here the first column, how to here put the value. See here we need to find this value. So how to find this value? So it means what? This is male vegetarian plus male vegetarian plus male non-vegetarian is equal to total number of males. So here total number of males are 50. So in the sense what? This total number of males indicates this total number of vegetarians, male vegetarians, yeah. Male vegetarian plus male non-vegetarian is equal to total number of males. So see here total number of males are 50. This is equal to male vegetarians, that we need to find that value x plus next male non-vegetarians, that is given information, that is 18. So see here we need to find x value. So x in the sense what? That is male vegetarian. See this cell we need to find, isn't it? So how to find this cell? That is 50 minus 18 is equal to x. So 50 minus 18 is 32. So here we got the value, that is male vegetarians are 32. So here male non-vegetarians are 18. So this 32 plus 18 is equal to 50. So this is satisfied. Okay, next we need to find this cell. So this cell indicates. So now I need to find this cell. So this cell indicates. See this is total number of male plus total number of female is equal to total population in town A. So here what it means, students? Total number of male plus total number of female is equal to total population. So total number of male is 50 plus total number of female population we need to find. So in the place of total number of female, this I will write x. So here it is x. This is equal to total number of population. See total number of population is 100. So it means x is equal to 100 minus 50. If we do like this, we can find total number of female. So that is 100 minus 50 is 50 only. See here in the sense what? Male population 50 plus total female population is 50. So this is equal to 100. See, this column is satisfied. Next. So next I will find this cell. So its cell means what? That is male non-vegetarians plus female non-vegetarians is equal to total number of vegetarians. So find this cell, what we have to do is this, from this total, if we do subtract male non-vegetarians, then we will get female non-vegetarians, that is 30 minus 18 is 12. Okay, next. So here next we need to find this cell. So this cell indicates that is female vegetarians. So see here it means this is female vegetarians, this is female non-vegetarians, and this is total number of females in town A. So how to find out this female vegetarians? So we need to subtract from this total. If we subtract this non-vegetarian female observation, then we will get female vegetarians. That is 50 minus 12 is 38. Next, how to find this value? We can add these two value, then we can get this. So this is total vegetarians. If we add this value, we can get this, or from this total, if we subtract this value, then we will get this value. Okay, first I will add these two observations, that is 32 plus 38 is 70. Now I will just cross check. 70 plus 30, 100 only. 38 plus 12 is 50. 38 plus 18 is 32 plus 18 is 50. Then I will do cross check like this. So 50 plus 50, 100 only. 18 plus 12 is 30. Then 32 plus 38 is 70. So this town A is satisfied. Okay, next let's see town B. What about town B? See town B. So here given informations are like this. 45% persons were males. So 45% persons were males in the sense what? They didn't mention vegetarians or non-vegetarians. They given only total number of males. So here male is here, male observation. Then total is here. So this cell indicates total number of males. So here we need to write 45 only. Next. So 25% were vegetarians. So they didn't mention man vegetarian or female vegetarians. They given only 25% were non-vegetarian in the sense what? Total number of vegetarians in town B. So in town B, vegetarians are here. We need to write total number of vegetarians here only. So here given observation is 25. Therefore here I will write 25. Next given observation is 36%. So that is 16%, I'm sorry, this is 16%. So 16%, what is 16%? 16% male non-vegetarians. So male non-vegetarians, see here given word is male non-vegetarians. So in town B, male is here, non-vegetarian is here. So this corresponding cell is this. So this cell indicates male non-vegetarian. So here we need to write 16. And see this problem, this here also in town B also this observation is based on percentage. So this cell grand total we need to write 100. So 100 indicates, this 100 indicates the total number of population in town B. So these are the given informations. Using this information we can tabulate the remaining information. So how to tabulate? See, first I will find this total female population. See here total male populations are given and total populations are given. Here we need to write total female population. So how to find out total female populations? See here 100. Okay, from this total population, if we subtract this total male, we can get total female population. That is 100 minus 45 is 55. Next I will find this value. So how to find this value? From this total, if I subtract this value, we can get male vegetarians in town B. That is 45 minus 16 is 29. Okay, next how to get this cell? I will find this, first I will find this cell. See here these two observations are given. So this is total, this is non-vegetarian, male non-vegetarian, this is total number of non-vegetarians. From this total number of non-vegetarian, if I subtract male non-vegetarians, then I will get female non-vegetarians. That is 25 minus 16 is 9. Next, So here next I will find this column. How to find this column? See here it means what? This is in town B, female vegetarians, this is female non-vegetarians, this is total number of females. So from this total number of females, if I subtract this female non-vegetarians, then I will get this female vegetarians. That is 55 minus 9 is 46. Next here only one cell is remaining. So how to find out this? This is total vegetarians. See here male vegetarians are there, female vegetarians are there. Then how to find out total vegetarians? If I add these two values, then I will get total vegetarians. That is 29 plus 46 is 75. Now I just cross check this observation. See 75 plus 25 is 100, 46 plus 9 is 55, 29 plus 16 is 45. Next I will cross check like this. So 29 plus 46 is 75, 16 plus 9 is 25, 45 plus 55 is 100. See here calculated values, this is calculated value, this is calculated value, this is calculated value. This is given value, no? Yeah, this is calculated value. These are the calculated value. So here I will write how to calculate 32 student, that is 50 minus 18. Then how to calculate this 50? So 50 is 100 minus 50. Then this one 12, that is 30 minus 18. Then this one 18. So 38, 38 is 50 minus 12, then this one 70 star, that is 32 plus 38, like that here also. So to calculate 29, we used calculation is 45 minus 16, and to calculate 55 star, we used method is 100 minus 45. And to calculate 46 star, we used method is 55 minus 9. Next, to calculate 75 star, we used method is 29 plus 46. Okay, this is the method to tabulate this given information. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.